Mugani. Big Fizzo. Arashigikirana cyane na wene. N'umuntu adasubwa kukubwiza les 4 vérités. Umubajije ikibazo. Hama asimiziki ryoshe gose. Yeah, oh mon Dieu, he's a vocalist. Yes, love it. The Queen. Butera Knowless. Yeah. Oh my gosh, niki novuga kwera bitatu. Ni mwiza. That's one. Hama mbona umenga yifata neza, aratuje, and afise umuziki udapfa. Oh, kareba vuzi by'urukundo naca ndaruta ndoto ntazi kumbe ni uri kuraza oya usinyiri wa ubundi nahinduye amateka c'est la vie ico kubanza combanza twemwa turi siguro y'ubuzima. Ubugari bw'imyumbati.
Ubwo mwita?
Ubwo bududu.
Mu kiye kirime?
Mu Kirundi.
Twe tubwita ubugari bw'imyumbati.
No mu Kirundi imyumbati.
Ariko nigiye mu bwita ubu?
Ubugari bw'imyumbati.
Ubudu?
Ubududu, ubugari bw'ubududu.
Ubwo ubugari bw'ubududu n'ubugari
bw'imyumbati.
N'ubududu.
Ndakwica.
Namuri kino. Je ko ndabaza n'ubududu.
Tusubizamo kenshi ego. Anyways,
ubududu rero.
Nkunda ubugari bw'imyumbati.
Nyine ngo ndavuga nyingo bitu.
Yego nkunda ubugari bw'imyumbati.
Nyine ukunda ubududu.
Umuntu wese aremerewe kugira type. Nta like
when Alvin Smith ni udakwiyunde.
Ni
udakwiyunde when Alvin Smith.
Yeah, like na
types and stuff. Is he your type?
Is he my type?
Nyine wowe nta uri type yiwe. Hama we aba type yawe.
Ni kuri I'll be lying. Mugabo no ntavyo sindigera nimvira Alvin Smith in that way. Kubera we actually cool. Then Alvin Smith utubonye twicaranye ni bon quand même haraciye imyaka myinshi.
Ari ngobajije Alvin Smith ni type yawe.
I'm telling you like ntavyo ndimvira ari Jenny baza yuko I had to think about him muri your side. Now he's a good nigga.
So you can date him.
Why not?
Oh my god. Eyo, what's up Rwanda, what's poppin' Kigali? Ikaze, ahangandi yitwa Kirikou hano hafi yo kwa Lando. Ariko amatabye y'amavuta n'umugisha usanzwe undi. This person nagari umuntu usanzwe n'ubugenge bugenda. Complete person. She was born to win, to conquer, to take over. N'umutungo w'igihugu n'ibitoro, n'esanse n'ubutaka, n'umutaka afite reason gikundiro cy'abanyarwanda n'abarundikazi. Izuba riri kurenga n'irya mu gitondo. Yakanze play na pause ku bukene. Akanda play forever and forever n'igikundiro cy'Imana. Inseko wasabisha inguzanyo mwiza uzinenge. Make some noise to the one and only Vania. Ice from Burundi +257 in the building, 1-on-1, me and her. Hello.
Hi.
Amakuru.
Iyo introduction irandenge. Ndiko ndagize na chair de poule mais. Hello, Vania Ice. Aje ava i Burundi ndaryohewe cyane nijya mbere duhuye the first time meeting and then we already clicking ego ndaryohewe cyane kuba ndi imbere yanyu yamba mwese I think that's it.
Bivuze iki ku Murundikazi?
Ku Murundikazi ni iteka ridasanzwe kubera bimpa beno vuga gute ni numuhezagiro.
Umugisha.
Voilà.
I mean, as an artist cyangwa se nk'umuhanzi hari n'ikindi gice cy'ubuzima bufite. Inyuma y'ubuhanzi no kuririmba, Vania Ice ni muntu ki?
Umuntu asanzwe cyane, umuntu nk'abandi bose, umuntu akunda ikawa, yivyukira kinywera ikawa, agasoma igitabo, akumviriza umuziki mwinshi cyane. Ibintu byose abantu bose, abakobwa bose bangana nkanje bakora nivyo byonyene, bakiretse ko ntasohoka cyane. Mugabo n'umuntu atekanye. Ntubone ujyayo kuri stage. It's a whole different woman. Yeah.
And then your mentality n'imitekerereze cyangwa se level n'urwego rw'ubwenge bwawe. I mean, I'm proud to say this. You're smart, you're strong. My question goes like, mentality n'imitekerereze yawe yubatswe n'ibyo wanyuzemo cyangwa n'ibyo waganirijwe?
Nibaza ko ari byose hamwe ni bibiri. Ibyo nanyuzemwo, ibyo naciyemwo, umva Kinyarwanda n'ikirundi baza kumvanga. Ibyo naciyemwo kuva ndi muto, umuryango nakuriyemwo, isengero nagenderamwo, hama mu nyuma nabo abo uciringa with. So n'amashuri naciyeko. Yego, donc je pense yuko ibintu byose biva kuri ndatora utuntu tumwe twose mu bantu kote nziza cyane, hamaze ibi nazo nkagerageza kuzikorera ko kugira nshobore guhinduka. Yeah.
Wigeze urota kuba umu artiste before?
Not at all. I did mechanical engineering.
No way. Hell no.
Hano mufite engineer na licence kwandi ko ndakora imiduga yanyu mais so mugabo namye nkunda kuririmba kuva ndi mutonyi cyane. Natanguye ninjiye muri chorale, mukuru wanje ambarira ati umviriza nyaruka winjiye muri chorale muri secondaire bari batiko ndabaririmbira, habaye hariho haraba ama twayita wigore ahantu les vendredis twaja gusengera, nije natanguza louange, ni umva namye nkunda kuririmba. Hama aussi muri université side jobs zanje zari zukuja kuririmba mu mabar nize muri China. So byarandihiye amashuri. So mugabo uwo mwanya wose sinigeze nibwira yuko nzohava biba carrière. No, kuririmba ntivyari bibonwa neza I Burundi.
How do you find yourself singing?
Singing or becoming a singer?
Becoming a singer. Okay, yeah. Becoming an artist.
Doing this career, COVID happened. So I went home kubera COVID yabaye. Ngenda mvuga ntingiye kumara amezi 2 nsubira ku ishuri kubera nari mu wanyuma. Hama nshiki Burundi ntangura gukora mu makaraoke. Ivyo twebwe twita karaoke mbwa ni live band. So ntangura gukora izo etu muhira bakanyemerera mugamba makambwira tumviriza urashobora kugenda kuririmba mbwo umenye yuko utegerezwa guheza like you coming back with a degree like ivyo ntavyo mbwira. So after a year puisque ntabwo twari bwasubira inyuma twari dutangiye kugira ama online, bandanya abantu bose bambwira yuko ndirimba neza, I should just go in the studio and then make something, and then I just went there and I'm like let me just try it. I started as c'était plus a hobby parce que je suis vraiment passionnée par la musique. Sans on va ni bintu byuko indi mu maraso, I like you know hama bicabihera I enjoyed it so much. Bicabihera amashuri ndayahejeje mugabo ngiye kuba umu engineer w'umuziki. Kandi I think I love it. Sinari guhura n'abantu nkamwebwe, you know.
And then byoroshye cyangwa bikomeye gute gukora umuziki uri umukobwa mu Burundi?
Oh my gosh. Ntivyoroshe na buhoro mugabo ndazagerageza kubikira akabanga Burundi bwacu kubera ndabukunda cyane kandi mugabo nibaza yuko dusa ama societe agomba gusa. Nibaza yuko cultures z'abanyarwanda nibaza ko ibibazo abanyarwanda kazi bahura navyo ari byo duhura navyo mu Burundi.
Yeah.
No, you don't think so? Okay. Anyways, twebwi wacu maintenant ça commence à être mieux.
Twebwe bitandukanye byabayeho igihe kinini cyane aho sangaga umukobwa waririmbye, umukobwa wakoze iki hari uko abonwa. So we thank God government ya bishizamo ukuboko abona ishuri yigisha umuziki ku Nyundo, basanga ama chance ibigo byitwa Gahozo n'ahandi. So aho usanga abakobwa kirekuta bishaka ariko yavuze ngo je muri music like we treat them like others ariko ni process nago byahise bikunda hari gihe cyaciyemo kugira ngo bigere kuri level.
I guess yuko twe tkuvuga yuko we are still in that process. So nandurumva nubwo natanguye nibaza ko aho nahereye naho bigeze ubu c'est pas la même chose. Quand même ubu barabona yuko we traveling because of music, we getting some small moolah from music. Donc ubundi ntibibonwa neza umenga n'umuntu atashoboye ubuzima bwiwe, n'umenga umuntu sabakobwa gusa n'abahungu, c'est plus babona umenga ni abatize nibo baja kwa c'était comme ça. Mugo ubunya quand même biko birahinduka baramenya yuko arabize, hama ku bakobwa naho ucumenga ufite etiquette yuko ukora ibindi bintu, which is not true. Which is not true. Okay. Yego. You don't believe that? Jeez. Okay. Anyways, no, naho bisa bisana nakazi nka kandi support all the women that are saying ko shaka kuba baririmbye vraiment. Yeah.
Kubeshya uri mu Rwanda.
Kwera nkunda kuba mu Rwanda.
No way, come on. You for the business of it, maybe.
Naje kuraba wowe. I just got here. Literally. tell them.
Yeah,
Mvuye kuri aeroport ubu nyene nshikiye hano. Isn't that the proof you can... Oh, I'm enjoying this.
Yes sir. Muri one on one nakoze yakunzwe n'abatari bake. Shimira abarundi bose. You guys are amazing. Muri bitangaza, you guys are supportive. Narakoze ikiganiro na Alvin Smith ndo ndamusezera ndavuga yo ngiye guhindura ubuzima bwawe ndimo nda joking over him. Yo, I'm changing your life. And they was like, nigga, listen. I have my people, I have my soldiers.
Yes.
If you upload this shit, you're gonna see what is happening. I was like, nigga, you capping. But yo, in the car, I was like, who? Over 1,000 comments, like, from Burundi. You guys are amazing. So, I call Alvin Smith, mugarutseho, muri one on one, namweretse ifoto yawe.
Yeah.
Hari ibyo yavuze byafashwe mu buryo butandukanye, hari ababifashe wenda ko yavuga ko yakwiriye, baravuga ati yakwiyemeyeho, abandi bati ariko ntabwo ari type. Ukuntu byagenze namweretse ifoto yawe aravuga yo Vania Ice ntabwo ari type yanjye kabisa, kabisa wapi. Ubwo namaje kwereka moni ya Far aravuga yo Google ariko yinguye. So they were like, okay, maybe yamudisinze. Wabyakire gute?
Umuntu wese aremerewe kugira type. Nta like
when Alvin Smith ni udakwiyunde. Udakwiyunde when Alvin Smith.
Oh yeah, like na
types and stuff. Is he your type?
Is he my type?
Nyine wowe ntabwo uri type yiwe. Hama we yaba type yawe.
Ni kuri I'll be lying. Mugabo no ntavyo sindigera nimvira Alvin Smith in that way. Kubera we actually cool. Then Alvin Smith utubonye twicaranye ni bon quand même haraciye imyaka myinshi.
Ari ngobajije Alvin Smith ni type yawe.
I'm telling you like ntabyo ndiyumvira ari je nibaza yuko I had to think about him muri your side. Now he's a good nigga.
So you can date him.
Why not?
Oh my god.
Why not?
Is he your type?
I don't know. Do I have a type actually?
Vania,
that's the issue.
Vania, let's try it.
First of all, ask me. I don't have a type.
Really?
No.
Oh.
I don't have a type. I appreciate umuntu yiyumvi bivanye no like I click with the person bivanye ngene umuntu yiyumvira bivanye the conversation needs to be there.
Yeah.
So no vuga ngo yahahama nkasanga umuntu wa bien sana. So I don't have a type. I'm sorry. Ndabibona ko arurindire ko ngira I'm gonna diss him and say no. He's a good looking nigga.
I'm just asking.
He's a good looking person and he's my G. I mean, not my G like that, but then I appreciate him.
Well and good.
Jewe nukuri ndamukunda kandi akora akazi keza ara twintertaininga vraiment. So la vache originale, I'm not your type, it's okay. But then I won't be dissing him.
Sorry.
It's okay, happens. Sorry,
I can feel you. Sorry.
Can you?
Yeah, sorry. Iyo umuntu yakurakaje, iyo moment yo kurakara isohokamo gute Van?
Ntabyo zo kwigira meya ko yandakaje.
Uwo ari we wese nagamenya ko. Oh.
Nah.
Just bounce like me.
I just
Abanyarwandakazi.
I move. Aho ambonye. No, mugabo bivana na relation mfise n'uwo muntu. Hari igihe usanga ari umuntu une personne lambda, on se rencontre à l'extérieur. Oh, sorry. Umuntu tutazinanye, personne X, tutazinanye tukahura hajya kantuka. Namurakarira kubera iki canke nkabimubwira kubera iki muga namba umuntu wiwanje ukoze ikintu simvuga nshavuye kubera usanga wavuze nabi kandi bidakenewe mais nimba uri umuntu que j'apprécie nimba uvuze ikintu kimbabaza ndaza gufata umwanya wo gutekana and then probably I'll tell you later. If I don't tell you that means I don't really care about you.
Ubuzima bwa Vania bugizwe na kangahe kwijana ku muco yahawe ni wabo?
Ijana kwijana.
Really?
Yes.
You got all these things from home.
Yes. Yes.
Umugabo, a husband. Ninde mu mboni zawe kubera ko bafite kwabibona bitandukanye, maybe bavuga umugabo numeze gutya numeze kunwa, ariko maybe as a person, as a human being urasanga ntatarashika yuko urondera uwo mubana canke hatari hagera yuko wisanga waforinze ava muga nyene urafise uko wumva umugabo. Yego umugabo ni muntu kimbonize wawe.
Mura maya ntawe ndiko ndiyumvira. I'm focused on You
don't see any picture of money in your mind.
Oh my, you focused. I'm focused on this career, on this music. Yes. Well and good. You're welcome another product called the One on One. Barataka mfuta y'abantu batandukanye.
abuzi abutazi mu Rwanda mu Burundi hose mwereka ifoto y'umuntu y'umumenye uvuga izina rye ndende ukamuvuga ibintu bitatu you know about him or you guess about him like maybe yo easy
ijambere na mbere ndafite ikibazo n'amazina I forget names easily uraza kunyibutsa pete none nkako bava bibaza ngo ntabwo ndaba oyaha ndiko ndagerageza ko dukundana n'abanyarwanda bose reka
n'abanyarwanda bose ntago baza abarundi bose rega.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, let me try here. So we're getting there. Stop shitting.
Dramat. Yeah. Baby kill your favorite. Ibintu bitatu. Yambara neza. Aragara. And he's a flirt. Satbi satura. Oh mon Dieu. Okay. Ni umukozi wa cyane. Aratekanye cyane. Afite amahit menshi cyane. Linoji. Yandika neza cyane. Aratuje. Hama nuvumenga nawe nyine aratekanye. Yeah. The legend Kidumu Kibido afite ijwi ry'akaja afite performance iri kuri level irenze hama nawe nyine arakora cyane Kili Badman. Okay, he's funny atera inkuru nyinshi cyane Badman Kirikou Akili atera inkuru nyinshi cyane ahantu hari vibe iri kuri level yo hejuru and afite nawe nyene ingene ashusha public ibintu bidashoboka. Double J yandika neza cyane arahoze and nawe naragara big face on the floor. Ni umwana mwiza arashigikirana cyane hama araryoshe kugira nk'umugenzi mugani Big Fizzo arashigikirana cyane na wene ni umuntu adasubwa kukubwiza les 4 vérités umubajije ikibazo hama asimiziki iryoshe gose. Yeah, oh mon Dieu, he's a vocalist. Yes. Oleg, OLG Oleg. Afise imiziki yoroshe gufata ku mutwe donc afise ama hooks yandika ategura neza umuziki wiwe pe and promotion yiwe n'ubusi ndayitahura ko imiziki yiwe wamusangira ahantu hose so urumva agira promotion nziza marketing yiwe iri kuri level yo hejuru and yeah, he's a good person.
I mean wenda ushobora no kudashaka kubyinjiramo cyane n'ubu utari byinjiramo like wabyihora cyangwa gushyiraho yego urabona in the other interview nakora na Alvin Smith twagarutse kuri Oleg hamavuga ko career ya Oleg itameze neza bivanye nuko yitwaye mu minsi yari yarabanje wafunzwe rimwe kabiri aravuga ati baye tumaje rukuno biba byabaye n'ibindi so do you think umuntu kuba ngiye nizera ko when someone is jailed yaba yakoze ko cyatari ko zari ibintu bihinduka mentally n'ukuntu yitwara do you think umuntu kuba yaba jailed ariko no afite na art ari public figure ikintu yubase gikomeye muri society hari icyo byongiza kuri career yiwe yadafite imbaraga wenda zimushyigikira
ego no sinibaza ko ari kuri career gusa ni as a person en general nyene nibaza yuko iyo umaze gufungwa canke iki byafite ico bihindura mu buzima bwawe either ugaruka uri stronger than before or weaker than before so sindamo nituri hafi cyane kugira amenye aha hagaze muri uwo mwanya muri ibiri donc nibaza ko peut-être ivyo Alvin yavuze nuko afite amakuru menshi kunsumba jewe nta
wemera ko ari ukuri rero
yuko
Oleg yaba affected no gufungwa
sinzi ko gufungwa sinzi is he affected by anything I don't have no idea.
Do you talk to him?
I don't. We've never been like nabo mention Avuze supposed to vugana. Monia Fleur, she's beautiful ni mwiza cyane yeah ni mwiza cyane afise confidence iri on point confidence oya confidence ni
Ikirundi.
arihagara no arihagara
Cyizere mu kinyarwanda.
ego
Kwihagararaho.
ego ari yes okay hama nakindi mbona Natasha la number shall we not close umva nitwegeranye cyane no mugabo afise nawe nyene n'umu hard worker arakora cyane kuvyo maze kumva n'umuntu supportinga abantu benshi cyane donc afite umutima mwiza ego DJ Paulin ni arasupportingana cyane ari he's ready to invest ku muntu yamwiyumvisemwo hama n'umuntu arugurutse mu mutwe cyane yeah Juno no Chris Easy sorry I'm sorry good. Chris Easy we've met once performance yiwe he's on point hama aratekanye nendindire ko ari umuntu you know aratekanye cyane hama nawe nyine numvume ndakunda content creation yewe he's a content creator wo kuri level indirimbo ziwiyo zisohotse simbeshe sindaba clip ubwo nyene mugutu udu shorts azaragira turi on another level I love it the queen Butera no less oh my gosh nikino vuga kweri bitatu ni mwiza that's one hama mbona umenga yifata neza aratuje and afse umuziki udapfa yeah my G yeah yago n'umwana mwiza yago arashigikira abantu c'est pas que uri umunyarwanda cyangwa uri umurundi yago he doesn't care hama yago nawe nyene aratanga impanuro arahanura vraiment muri umuntu yakaratangura kugira ati mvira ibi beto yeah Munyakazi Bruce nkuko iryo zina giwe nyene numukozi wa cyane afise imiziki nawe nyene izo kwamaho ubuzima bwose pe and mbona umenga il a les pieds sur terre comment je vais dire ça afise nubwo ari umu superstar uko mbona ntituzinanye nubwo ari umu superstar wa danger mbona umenga ari humble aratekanye nyene yeah ntituraheza oh my gosh izina riranjaye I love her in a way that I cannot even express. Yeah. She's funny. Scovia, yeah. Sorry. She's funny. Interview ziwe zira kwigisha zikagutwenza zikakubaka. Yeah. This person. Hey. I cannot even say the name.
Oh yeah. His Excellency Paul Kagame.
Excellence. Paul Kagame. I don't even know what to say about him because he I say hey. What do I know about him?
What is happening to you?
Like can't you see? You can tell, right?
Murakaza goosebumps like.
I know it's so hard. Like I don't know. It is. Oh my gosh! Like
I'll feel you, bro.
I don't even know what to say. Like you just one thing.
Yeah, about him.
About exactly.
About PK.
Nibiriko biranagaruka uravuga gutyo. I mean, I don't know.
Oh, you're gonna say
I cannot say like no mukuru.
Yeah.
That's it.
Do you love his job?
I do.
What he did or what was he doing for our nation?
For the music industry, as David Mbona, Bonumenga barashiramwo inguvu nyinshi cyane. So ibindi ntavyo nzi.
I didn't ask her anything about that because I didn't go a hint because I know what he's doing. So I was just like, are you a supporter?
We see it. And like I don't to video to get to a viral.
That's what I'm talking about.
Aravuga the YouTube and whatever.
That's what I'm talking about.
Like he's really pushing and.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that's what you're talking about. We're from here. I'm not. So.
Sure.
Yeah.
You're good.
I am.
And then ukunda kuba mu mujyi cyangwa ukunda kuba mu cyaro?
Umujyi.
Kaunga cyangwa umuceri?
Kaunga n'ubugari. Canke n'ubuyi. Kaunga ni twibuke ko ndi umurundikazi. Umuceri kubera nkunda ubududu. Bon, je sais pas comment vous le dites. Ndakunda ubududu.
Ubududu ni iki?
Pâte de manioc. Pâte de manioc. Donc ni ubugari bw'imyumbati.
Ubwo mwita?
Ubwo bududu.
Mu kiye kirime?
Mu Kirundi.
Twe tubwita ubugari bw'imyumbati.
No mu Kirundi imyumbati.
Ariko hari n'igihe mubwita ubu?
Ubugari bw'imyumbati.
Ubudu?
Ubududu, ubugari bw'ubududu.
Ubugari bw'ubududu n'ubugari
bw'imyumbati.
N'ubududu.
Ndakwica.
Namuri kino. Jezi ko ndabaza n'ubududu.
Ko sibizamo kenshi ego. Anyways,
ubududu rero.
Nkunda ubugari bw'imyumbati.
Nyine ngo ndavuga nyingo bitu.
Ego nkunda ubugari bw'imyumbati.
Nyine ukunda ubududu. What's funny, I'm asking?
Ego, none nanje I'm saying it.
So ukunda ubududu rero?
Ubugari bw'ubududu aribwo bugari bw'imyumbati.
Ubwo nyine ukunda ubududu.
Ubugari bw'ubududu.
This is what I'm asking.
But then why don't you put the ubugari imbere? That must have another meaning.
You have a defense mechanism. Like, I love it. I cannot take you where I want to take you. Like,
No, I cannot.
Control it. Control it.
So yeah, ubugari.
Yeah, go. Wibona kuri televiziyo bwa mbere byari bimeze gute? Because I'm seeing myself now. I'm watching myself now.
I think on TV it was not that crazy, but on radio.
Wiyumva.
Niyumvise batangwe Vania eyes. I was like, no, that's not me. That's not me. Like the first time I heard my kanuze yako nyene, I went crazy. I went crazy, and then après kubona umuntu akubwiye nayo nyene dewe ndiko ndakona ku television. I'm like, that's me.
Kundihe kala kwambara?
Black.
Niye myenda utakambara?
Ku television canke muzi usanzwe? Nibazo tayihaye.
Kugira ngo wirinde kugira umuntu inshuti abafite iyihe mico nohe umuntu utagira inshuti yawe nyine umuntu utaza mu buzima bwawe n'umuntu umeze gute
umuntu ari loud
sakuza
yego ukesha ngikubona ukiri hariya urukura biravana amanyine urashaka kuburyohewe mugabo hari bitangura kuba ndi
story fun about your music cyangwa se moment wagize kubera music wenda shobora giye mu gitaramo bakazimiza ibyuma bikakuzimiraho shobora wenda kuba ari bagiye lyrics like
okay oh la la bon haraciye umwanya okay hariho zibiri yari imwe ni kuri shooting aho hari ndasama mse ama allergie so partie ya nyuma yari yo gukoresha smoke urabona yantuze iza gute smoke machine and I got sick itarahera clip. So yeah, that was crazy. Hama partie ya kabiri yari umunsi nagiye kuririmba ahantu nari nkiri mushasha mu muziki. Bon, pas mushasha cyane, c'était genre 2 ans je me dis. Hama ndaja kuririmba ahantu bamubita abakire batekanye bicaye je nkora live kuva kera cyane. Donc live ndi bon cyane. So I went on stage not that confident. Mugabo nyene jewe umuziki urantwara tu. So people were looking at me as if I'm not doing shit. Genre uraririmba indirimbo ya mbere iya kabiri nta mashi nta kuririmba abaraho bakorara buravuga none mbandanye nshikiri ya gatatu canke nisubirira inyuma bigende gute. So that was not funny actually. Wambaje funny. Namahera nina yari rero narakoze nararirimbye ndaheza mugabo the funniest thing was that mejeje show mu nyuma kwera hari undi yacaza mu nyuma nyene w'umuhanga kunsumba mejeje show abantu hakaza umuntu akambwira yo hewe I love your music wagiye kuri I'm like niho waruri kweri kutigeze unyereka yo nuze. So nibaza ko ari yo performance ya mbere imaze kumbihira sino ibindi. Yeah, that's it.
So I want you to sing for them. I'll be rapping because I'm a rapper. A short, I mean, about your songs, anything.
Okay, I shall hold it.
I love your voice. Like.
Which song do you want?
Any.
Any from
you.
Any. Thank you. Huh, am I? Say it again.
Oh my God. Because you're the queen. Okay. So let's go.
He's. Aribonye mu television.
What I love is this girl. She's from Burundi.
Is she?
So use your microphone.
Oh, is she?
So
okay,
this
sorry.
girl that we are seeing here on the TV,
Ooh.
she's from Burundi and she's very
beautiful.
Smart. She's amazing.
What does she do? I
didn't talk. No, she's in Rwanda.
I
think she's working. Airports, something like that, around here, the airport and stuff. So she's very smart, very wise.
Okay.
I love her. So
okay.
yeah,
that's amazing.
I see.
Yeah.
But I just love her as a friend. Sing for them.
All right. Okay. Ngire nkore indirimbo yanje nshasha peut-être, and then you're gonna sing it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Urankurikira.
Yego.
How short? Ngira kangana iki?
Take your time.
Uri melody na mpora ndirimba morning to the night. Je nahora ndabipinga ntinyakwirirwa mu gahinga comme mes histoires. Niwe nari ntindiriye reka ndabifiringe rega. Mon cœur tu l'as touché. Oh, kare bavuze iby'urukundo naca ndarota ndota untazi kumbe ni uri kuraza. Oya ubu sinkiri wa wundi nahinduye amateka. C'est la vie ico kubanza combanza. Toi et moi turi insiguro y'ubuzima. Toi et moi turi insiguro y'ubuzima. Kuva ubu utariho sinobaho. Oya kuburana nivyobaho. Toi et moi wogukoze kunorakara nkana mumira. Go ahead, show us.
Rap. Ndagukunda nukuri ubyemere nkumi ubyumve ndi inshuti nabaye ni homi nahinze gang nahisemo urukundo ndavuga Vania ayisura vyumve afite bote afite ubwiza buceka mukunda gutyo kandi numva nakomeza. Oya nyamuneka uyu mwana utamuriza nagukanda nagusoza kandi nakwica mukunda byahatari mu gituza umutima butera agafoto dukoze like milimili byumve nta kibazo no mubiri mucyo muto si munini ne mwiza kozo ko abishaka inseko wasabisha nguzanyo mwisi umwamikazi. Oya we.
Okay.
Oh, is it?
Okay. Well, jeez.
I was just kidding. I mean,
Yeah,
this
that was amazing.
Yeah,
Hey,
like,
that's nice.
one more time. You sing
Yeah.
a little bit about your songs. That's what's.
Huh?
Kundimo that's what's.
Yes.
Like,
Indirimbo zasohotse. Iya mbere yakunzwe cyane iwacu no hano je pense que nigeze kuyumva. C'était tungerageza guhera ahinze.
you take your time. You're good.
Naguhamagara phone ugakupa gusinkuvugisha uri kunywa agacupa sinshobora kuza ntimubaniga umva ari sawa. Okay, je vais te faire ngenda kuririmbisha.
Yego.
Vas-y, uraza ugira. Uraza ugira. Oh.
Say.
Oh.
Okay.
Izo zitatu gusa.
Okay.
Twagi? Let's go. La plus douce, la plus belle, eh bien c'était moi. Nacho ninona, nacho nibwira. Jewe ndumiwe la plus douce, oh c'était moi. Indirimbo nayo nakoreye hano yavuga nayikoranye na Clément Kina Music. Shout out to Clément.
Big shout out to Dragon.
Yes, no. He's
He's
amazing. Oh my gosh. So baila conmigo.
Oh my God, that's
Nasaka.
my song.
Really?
Yeah, it's a hit here. Like,
Is it?
I forgot about that.
No.
Yeah, I know the song. Yeah.
Nasaka gutamba contigo.
Yeah.
Baila conmigo. Iri joro ni fire. Ahantu harashushe. Sinzi ko nawe ubyumva. Impuzu ninzikura buntu stresse. Just vibe. Ninja nawe le reste on s'en fout. Ndakurikira intambwe zawe darling. Ubu ndabandi simbabona. Reka abandi barabe. Nibashaka amazi basare. Barabicu barusha. Baby tonight. Baila conmigo. Ndashaka gutamba contigo. baila conmigo, iri juru ni fire. And then I did a song with Kivumbi King.
Oh my God. You're superstar.
Differently original, sinifuza kuba uwundi na gato, self-made, my own CEO. I'm gonna hot fire whoever I want, smoke down but I go stand up, oh. Running after my goals nka Francino, singombwa nce mu nzira yo, gusa nshike and say I day, nubwo nofata urutaro bagede, nukamenyereje sindi nkawe, singombwa nce mu nzira yo, gusa nshike and say I they. They didn't understand me, they can never understand me, no, they didn't understand me, I'm a champion.
Oh my God.
It's called a day. So I think I have like 14 songs.
Yeah, you have a lot
I'm
of songs.
gonna
You have a
sing
lot
them.
of songs. And then
I know.
You have a beautiful voice.
Thank
you. Have
you.
a confidence, delivery.
Thank you. Oh my
You
gosh,
got
thank you.
everything that needed to be
Thank
a
you, thank you,
superstar.
thank
You are a superstar.
It's
You got Grammy
happening.
with you, like,
Ooh.
you are moving Grammy. Swear to God.
I'm receiving all the blessings.
Receive in the name
Murakaza
of
cyane.
Jesus.
Amen to that.
I don't tell lies.
You don't?
I don't tell
I'll go
lies.
call you when it happens.
I mean, I'll call you after the speech.
Yes.
Thank you to my fans, my mom, and thank God, of course. Grammy. Like I'll be saying, like, yo, you did it, man.
Umva, ndabyakiriye
Yeah.
byose.
So it was good. Having an interview with you was sweet, calm, genuine. So what's your plans this year, maybe this month and stuff? Is there any EP, a single, album, a concert or whatever?
So, should I hold it?
You can hold it.
Okay.
And you'll be asking me some few questions as we come
Yeah?
on.
Ndaryohewe cyane, like to start there, ndaryohewe cyane kuba nashoboye kugira ino interview n'abantu banyakiriye neza, niho ngishika comme j'ai dit, and thank you. You have a good spirit. You have a good. Literally utanga energy iryoshe cyane, and so my plans is to gushikana umuziki wanje outside Burundi. Nivyo ndiko ndagerageza gukorera ko mwese mugende munyumvirize c'est Vania Ice. My plans ni kuduza ibendera ry'igihugu cacu c'u Burundi. Ndafise indirimbo yasohotse imaze 2 semaines yitwa Toi et moi. Mugende muyirabe. Ndafise ama collaboration n'aba artists from outside the country nshaka gusohora. I got an album that will be coming out mu mwaka uzoza kubera natanguye kwikora mvuga ngo iranyaruka sinenzi ngere bigenda. Shout out ku baririmbyi bose musohora album, bro. Oh, it is very hard. So urumva my plan ni gushobora gusohora iyo muziki, and mbandanye ntembera, mbandanye menyekanisha gato cyane ka Vania mu bihugu byose, mpereye mu Rwanda. No, I'm coming from Nigeria, but then ndaciye mu Rwanda, abagwanda murabi watch and going to Ghana. Abanyarwanda turi bamwe, umuntu akora ikawa aradukunda cyane.
It's okay.
Anyways, that's the plan.
Yeah, you have a nice tattoo.
Thank you.
You ikindi uhumura neza, umota neza.
That's so nice. Thank you.
Uziko impumuro yawe.
Iyo ni compliment ya mbere uyimpaye mbana uvumenga, you know.
Damn.
Thank
I mean, ushobora kushora amafaranga menshi mu guhumura.
I do.
Like kuna guhumura normal, right?
I do.
Oh my God.
Chane.
Oh my
Don't
God.
die.
The name of this perfume?
The name
Oh,
of this
you
one?
don't foresee the names, you just...
It's Chloe.
Oh my God. You are a rich girl. Chloe, damn. Anyways,
Okay.
you an amazing person. Thank you so much for blessing this
You said I
interview.
should ask you a question, right?
You can ask
Okay.
questions. Let's
My
go
question is this: reka nanje ntangure gukora akazi
ahead.
kubu.
Yeah, let's get it.
Mwakoze cyane kuza mu kiganiro cacu, turabakiriye cyane gose. Amazina yanyu naya?
Taikun Ndahiro.
Ndahiro. Ni igiki mwumva cokogwa kugira sinje muri polemique bamamo ngo abarundi n'abanyarwanda oya, ni igiki mwumva umenga woterera mu muziki w'u Burundi uvuga ati agahaze naka, même si music industry iri dope, sindabavuze n'ababi wacu, mugabo ni igiki wumva umenga wowe uravye, si tu compares pas apana ku Rwanda mais en général, ni igiki wumva umenga ati this is one thing that you guys are missing?
social media influence cyangwa se imbaraga za social media ziwanyu ntago ziraba nyinshi cyane kandi mu by'ukuri mufite audience kundi ibintu byanyu ngira ngo ahubwo hari na contribution abarundi batanga kuri ku bintu byacu bareba ibiganiro bareba music so kibaza izo mbaraga abarundi bagiye bazishira no mu bintu by'iwabo I think hakabamo gukundana no gufashanya hari icyitwa game frame tuvuze game frame muri terme y'umuziki na game na industry game frame ni ishusho y'igihugu runaka muri music cyangwa se muri game na industry so usanga game frame uko muyubatse I mean abayikoze isa nabo niba umuntu uri kubaka game frame y'igihugu runaka adafite urukundo yikunda adashaka kwaguka nuko industry gumiguma hanto usanga saki bari ntoya cyane kubera ko barabyubakiye kuri bo gusa so nibaza ko abantu bubakiye industry muri rusanya pana kwirebaho bwabo mwazabona result y'ibyo bintu abantu bazatungwa na art abakora content creation mu Burundi babaho neza aba DJs babaho neza kandi hamwe na support no kugira ngo imbaraga ziyongere muri social media n'amazina yanyu arakura so imana n'igitangaza turabazi you know what you're doing doing good music ntago nzi cyabaye I don't know what happened but hari ugiye mwaziye rimwe kabisa twa dufite nubwo ati turapfuye noneho like urabona Vania high buryo ariko araci umoso Kirikou akiriye Dramat ari haratesa bari no G double J is passing there Satibisa na Mbafre n'abamidi bajya gukora ibintu binini ikindi hari gihe wigeze kuba mwadominatinze East Africa so ndagira ngo abarundi bongere babyuke man this is your time like this is your turn we want to grow with you it's time there ariko none bivana no kubikunda hari ikintu cyitwa will and ability ubushake n'ubushobozi iyo hageze ikimisinga na will and ability na kintu abasha kwachievinga but you guys are talents.
Thank you. Okay, another one. Muravuze umuziki w'abarundi hano canke compare to kungene umuziki wanyu ushiki Burundi. Je pense que ico kimwe nuko wacu ushika mu Rwanda hamba c'est quoi les critères kugira umuziki muvuga ati abanyarwanda uyu muziki turawukunze nubwo ari uwo from Burundi.
Abanyarwanda nabantu bibitangaza usanga ahubwo bakunda iby'ahandi hari revo bakunda iby'abandi kurusha iby'awacu ikindi umunyarwanda nta gukoresha imbaraga nyinshi mu mwemezi iyo umwemeje aremera they don't give a fuck like niba ari Berisima abaye nini they support it niba ari ahani he they support it niba ari Contigo they support big songs no we don't do that I mean akenshi usanga ikirundi n'ikinyarwanda hari ukuntu byumvikana kimwe so twe mu Rwanda ntago tugiye tugira nko muri Kenya rye bibavuze ngo franc 75% ya music ya Kenya kugira ngo growing we don't into that abanyarwanda n'abafunga mutwe ushobora kubyemeranya muri batanu ariko witwa Samira akavuga ati no nega hell no ngenda prenga abarundi bose wimbwira ngiye Vania n'umushiti wanjye yarantamitse yankanda akanyenyeri so get out of here man so twe ducanga music zose indirimbo ari nziza ariko iraprengwa kabisa mu Burundi ahubwo mwaratubaniye mwaratubaniye ntabwo mukidukina mwana n'ubwoba bw'ubusamana mwadukina tugakina natwe
ikibazo nico nibaza yuko ama information ari ku ma réseaux sociaux ego ari wrong kubera turabavuza cyane nta no kwimvira ngo uyu n'umunyarwanda cyane
uskuri mwiza man yeah you beautiful
okay the last question last but not least what do you like about Vania Ice her work
about Vania Ice you reba clip cyangwa se video ya Vania Ice singombwa ko yivuga ngo ninde hari abantu bakora clip ukagira ngo barimo aramamaza wenda nk'ibigori cyangwa ibindi bintu you look like an artist ikindi you are energetic kuri stage delivery yawe na voice control ni top notch ikindi you confident ikindi you creative ntago ujya wiha boundaries cyangwa se ngo uragarukira ahangaha you always plan you think further you think more of this your own and kubera ko niba umwana umukobwa ngana nkawe n'ukuntu game y'u Burundi goye ku gitsina gore wenda n'ahandi bimeze gutyo nako byatubayeho ugapushinga ukajyagana mu Rwanda nturyame nturuhuke uri mwiza mane wakicara tukagutunga wacyana forever uri cyana cya dance tukagutunga utari no gukora wowe ego kumana ubyeme nanone ahita ngugira umugore so ariko ukabyanga ukavuga yo let me push by myself so urikunda uzi icyo ushaka kandi Imana izagiguha you are a superstar swear
man thank you
Our gang. I love
that
this
was
woman.
it.
I love this woman. She's my friend.
That was it. I love this. Oh my gosh.